Oh, you've just come at the right time. I'm preparing a big presentation to the board in 5 minutes. Well, I'm a very busy and important international businesswoman. My job demands great dedication and making important decisions. Delicious, right? Time to go. So, I imagine you're wondering how the high flyers of business like me get the big wig jobs. The MSc in International Business from TBS Education Barcelona. That's how. I can tell you all about right after this I was just about to present our annual financial report. Another incredibly useful skill I learned on the MSc. Business is competitive and competition is fierce. Success demands practical skills and a profound understanding of the business landscape. At TBS Education Barcelona, you'll learn from leading practitioners and internationally recognized academics with the expertise to push your career forward. Using data-driven methodology that is highly prized by today's employers. Work on practical projects with real companies, enabling you to put into practice what you've learned in class. And don't just take my word for it. The program that came 6th in the Ed Universal ranking for MSCs in 2023, based in one of the most vibrant and innovative business hubs in Spain. The program offers 6 regional spotlights: the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, Africa, Latin America, and China. And you can take Spanish classes in the first year, and includes a trip to a business hub such as Paris, Amsterdam, or London. And let's work together to lead the global business decisions of the future.